falling asleep with your partner on a video call.
That's very cute.
It's cute.
It's very cute.
Okay.
I mean, if you're the person falling asleep, if it's the other person, that could be a little annoying.
Okay. Making couple hashtags, like names के जो hashtags चलते हैं ना, आधा name इसका, आधा name
वो तो
उसका
शादी पे हो
बनाकर.
जाता है ना.
उसके पहले भी होता है नहीं?
नहीं.
हाँ. But what do you think about शादी में ही चलो?
No, I don't like all that.
No, even I don't.
Yeah.
Like. Baby talking to your partner.
I baby talk to my dog, and people find that also cringe. So it's okay. But yeah, I can't. I don't think I can ever baby talk.
No.
A partner. No, I don't think I can do that.
Okay, couple tattoos. Like I've seen कि ना दिल का आधा पार्ट एक उंगली इसकी उंगली में रहता है और दूसरा पार्ट उसकी उंगली में रहता है. Join करके दिल बनता है.
Okay. I mean, I'm not for it, but I have very recently had a conversation with a best friend that we should get matching tattoos. So maybe I'm a little hypocritical to call it cringe. But this I don't like. This joining wala I think is adha adhura.
Using words like babu, shona, janu, woo.
Pet names basically, right?
हाँ मतलब correct.
Yeah,
Baby.
I'm not for it. I like names.
Okay.
You know, if somebody's endearingly calling you something, I think it's very sweet.
Okay.
I don't think I have ever. The maximum I think I've said is baby. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Okay, next PDA, which is.
Oh, I love PDA. I shouldn't be saying this out loud. My parents might watch this.
Saving their name as Jaan, hubby, bacha, like phone mein.
Bacha is a bit much. No? How can you call your? I mean, I guess some people are into that. I don't know. But no.
No. Okay. Cringe for you?
Cringe.
Cringe. Writing long paragraphs on birthdays and anniversaries.
It's extremely cringe, but I do it myself. So. I'm very self-aware, guys.
Okay. Celebrating monthly anniversaries.
No.
Like
Cringe.
happy first month, happy
I
second
remember.
month.
Yeah. I know a lot of people who do that, but
Cringe.
cringe.
Yeah. Okay. Sharing the same toothbrush.
Oh God, no. No, cringe. And very unhygienic. Guys.
Unhygienic.
Don't do it. Even if you think it's cute, it's not good for you.
Okay. Sitting side by side in cafes.
Sitting side by side means
Like
as opposed to samne.
हाँ, as opposed
Oh,
to
I love
samne.
that. Very,
Side
very
by
cute.
side.
Very cute. I'm very for that.
Feeding your partner with your own hand.
No cringe.
It's cringe.
You know, you're eating something, you feed somebody one bite. Like, oh, do you want to try this? And I give you a bite. I think that's cute.
नहीं, ऐसे pet
हाँ,
के
वो
ऐसे
नहीं.
baby की तरह खिलाना.
Oh, God, please. Cringe.
Okay.
I don't want to feed, and I mean, I don't want to like be the person feeding also, and I don't even want to be fed. Yeah.
Okay, and last one, keeping each other's photograph as the phone wallpaper.
I don't want to be so extreme and call it cringe, but it's somewhere in the middle. It's not cute. It's not cringe. It's okay. I mean.
Okay. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो सारे हमारी लाइक जो फैंटेसीज एंड आइडिया ऑफ लव है ये बहुत ज्यादा influenced also because of Bollywood and the movies that we watched, right?
Or even the people who've fallen in love around us, right? Like my grandparents, my nana and my nani had a love marriage.
Wow.
My own parents had a love marriage, and I mean, it was intercaste, so whatever. Even they were rebellious about it. So I feel like it's also because, you know, I've heard about these stories and stuff, and I've been told since I was a kid that you have to fight for your love.
So what about the relationship that your parents share with each other would you want to have with your partner?
Oh, so much. I think the most important thing is the fact that they really fought for their love. And there's this very beautiful, I don't know if you've seen it, a reel of Keanu Reeves it went viral, where he was like, if the love is not worth fighting for, then is it really worth it? Or something. I must have really massacred the quote. But I really believe that love requires effort. I don't believe in effortless love. So I think that is something that I've seen with both my parents, where they're two very different individuals. They're kind of like chalk and cheese. And every day they wake up and choose to do certain things because they love each other. So I think these are little things I see in my parents.
Wow.
Yeah, which I would love to have in the future.
Yeah. Now we're going to talk a little about fashion. Okay. So we have a segment जिसके लिए मैं आपको ये दूंगी आपको red flag and green flag दिखाने.
Okay.
So this is Zivame presents Unhooked and Unhinged. wearing a sports bra under a lehenga blouse.
Comfort over everything, guys.
Okay, wearing prints over prints.
I'm not a fan of very large prints, so I think I would call it a red flag personally. But I guess so many people wear print over print, and they can really carry it off. and
Yeah.
look very cool. It's
The-
not for me.
Ranveer Singh jaise.
Exactly.
Ha.
And he looks very hot.
He
when
can wear a
does it. Yeah.
chaddar and he looks hot, yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Okay, visible bra straps with an off-shoulder dress or top.
I don't know how to call it a green flag or a red flag. It's okay.
It's okay.
There's no problem.
Also, this is also because bra straps being visible is
It's a huge deal, right? And I never understood that, because I remember in college also there used to be rules in certain colleges that you could not have the
क्या
strap of
दिखने
your
नहीं
bra.
चाहिए?
नहीं, मतलब अगर आपने दिखा दिया तो मतलब you can take, क्या बोलते हैं उसे, you're punished and all of that.
yeah,
Which, I mean, I found that a little like too much.
too much. Okay, mixing silver and gold jewelry in the same look. You've done it today.
I'm totally for it. I'm totally oh sorry,
So,
green flag.
green flag.
Yeah, huge green. I love mixing metals.
Okay, dark bra stealing the limelight under your light kurti, which is basically if it's
I'm not
Visible.
for it, not for any particular reason. I don't like that, whatever the overall look of it. So yeah, me personally, I would not choose to do that.
okay. Sneakers under lehenga.
Oh, fully green flag. Sneakers under anything. Like if I could wear sneakers with like everything for the rest of my life, I would do that.
Correct. And you also don't need to wear heels, na?
I mean, I hope I find reason to wear heels.
Matching your lehenga with your lingerie.
Yeah,
Green flag?
works. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Green flag. Okay. Changing into your pajamas at a festive party when you are the host.
Why not? Yeah, you deserve it. Please
Ha.
do not think twice. It's not rude at all.
Strapless bra on the DJ night.
If it
Like when you have to dance a lot.
works for you, great.
Works for
Yeah.
you. Okay, wearing lounge wear for a festive after party.
After party, really, I feel it's totally fine to wear comfortable clothes.
Yeah. Backless choli with a matching bra strap.
No, if it's a backless choli, then let it be a backless choli, no? That's the beauty of it. It's backless.
It's backless. Oh my god, poo. We all have a little poo in us.
Yeah, we all want that moment.
We all want that. Peeche ka kahan hai? It's backless. Okay. Full glam makeup at a daytime puja.
Sure, if you're feeling. See, I don't want to call it a red flag. I wouldn't do it.
Huh. Okay.
So
Fair.
I'm saying red flag, but if you want to look glam for daytime puja, go for it. You do you. I think that's great. It's very nice to look at nice looking people there.
So basically, these are also things that a lot of us have been judged about, right? कि bra strap दिख रहा है कि नहीं. Have you felt any judgment for in any aspect of your life ever?
Yeah. But I lived with my parents, and my grandmothers and my grandparents lived in the same, society. And there was this very conscious conversation that was had with me. Ki, I understand. I've never been told that you can or cannot wear something by my parents. But there was always this decorum that was set that, when you're going to meet your grandparents, we have to be a little more mindful about certain things. I was given this kind of, thought that meet them midway. If something that you might wear might make them feel uncomfortable, then avoid wearing that, when you're going to meet them. So I think that kind of a balance, and that can be a little blurring for you. It can be a little confusing, right? Because on one side you're like, I should be able to wear whatever I want and feel liberated, etc. But I don't think it's a problem if you're being a little mindful towards some people, especially if it's for shorter periods. It's not like you're living your entire life like that. Because if somebody came and told me that, oh, you can't wear this for the rest of your life, I mean, that would not be okay with me, It could be any person.
Correct.
Like, I did have that awareness. But like I said, I found it very interesting that in a college, there was a proper, do's and don'ts. And like, wahan pe likha tha that you cannot show your bra strap.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is-
It exists. So I mean, I guess, see, again, it's each to his own. Maybe they had their reasons of having that, but do I agree with it? No.
So we keep talking about he's a 10 baht. You've seen that trend
I've
going
seen that,
on.
I've seen
He's a 10 baht. So I wanted to flip it a little
Huh.
and make it about us. You are a 10 baht.
but a lot of things. She falls asleep on video call.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.